How are you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. We have question 5.1 says, figure below, show a simple gear train comparison of a pinion B with 30 teeth matching internal. Check its internal there with the ring gear A. The center distance between the shaft is 45 and the teeth have modulus of 1.5. Right, here says calculate the following 5.1.1, the number of teeth on the ring gear. Want the number of teeth on the ring gear. The ring gear is the one, guys. Is the ring gear. Is this one the big one? Maybe you may ask, so this is the ring gear. This is our ring gear. You understand? So this is what we have there, our ring gear. So how we go about calculating the teeth? So it's the same process, guys. Center distance, as we know, most of the time we'll dealing with this, always divide by 2 into, most of the time you'll calculate it like this, will be the teeth of A. But remember, it's internal, guys. If it's internal, it's become minus. Please do not make a mistake and say plus. You add when they are driving like this. If they are acting externally like this, it's when you add. But if it's inside of the gear, you minus there. Please do not make that mistake. Minus the teeth of B. So you cannot lose this 3 marks, isn't it? So you can afford to lose them. So what is our center distance? We're given there, that is center distance is 45. The modulus there is 1.5 divided by 2. The teeth of A, we don't know, is the one that we have to calculate, minus the teeth of B, which is 30 there, which is 30. So here you cross multiply, you have 45 multiply by 2, also divide this by 1.5. You'll have teeth of A plus sorry about that, plus the teeth of the one. Sorry, look, I'm doing a mess. This is not a plus. I've just said this is a minus, isn't it? Minus the date like this. So since you have 30, we take 30 to this side, it will be 45 times 2 divided by 1,5 plus, now it become positive. We have TA. Then the teeth of A, now here punching this, we'll simply have what? So this will be 60 plus 30, which is teeth A simply. Therefore teeth A will be equals to will be equals to 90 there, will be equals to 90 teeth. This is teeth A, so we have 90. Now since we have that is 90, now B says we should determine the PCD, the pitch diameter of the ring gear. Okay, we know that, guys. PCD of what? Of the diameter of the ring gear. We have the ring gear, which is, I can say A here. The ring, you know, the PCD is modulus multiplied by the teeth of the ring gear, which is A. Modulus is 1.5 multiplied by the teeth. We've just calculated, which is 90. Multiply this by 90. What are we going to have? Multiplying this by 90, I will have 135 millimeter. So that is what we'll have. So this is how it goes about, guys. This is how you go about are taking this question, but this question here we still have figure 2 here. Says now 5.2, a simple gear train consists of now this says that consists of that stuff there that we are given there. Consists of the gear train consists of gear and pinion, which shaft center is approximately, we've given that 635 millimeter apart. Assume that the circle pitch is that 31.46 meter, and that the gear have the speed of this, that the ratio there is 3 point, remember the speed. All right, so here we have 5.2.1. so we'll calculate what the number of teeth in each gear. All right, number of teeth in each gear. So taking advantage of PCT, we have the pitch, the circular pitch, taking the advantage of it, we know this is given by what is equals to pi multiplied by PCT divided by that. Taking advantage of it, we know this is also equals to modulus and what. So we know this is equals again is equals to pi multiplied by modulus. That is what we know. All right, so we should calculate now the teeth. So if I check, guys, this will be a long try, but let's say, but we don't have modulus. Modulus must be very important. Okay, let us make the subject modulus. We'll have CP multiplied by pi. We have this, we have given there, which is 31.46 divided by pi. Then this will be equals to what? Will be 10 millimeter, which is our modulus. So since we have the modulus, let's check what else do we have. We have the ratio there, the speed ratio 3.3 is to 1. We've given 3.3 is to 1. So if you are given something like this, the small number correspond, remember 3.33 is to 1. This is the same as, guys, this can be written as 3.3 divided by 1 in the form of fraction. So in the form of that, we'll check which the gear, which is the pinion. We have a gear and a pinion. All right, your gears having that. All right, pinion obvious will be small, all I know. Yeah, the pinion there will be small, but anyway, we'll have our ratios. We'll have our ratio TA over TP. Pinion will be small, so I can do like this. I can say TP over TA. So for pinion here will be smaller here. This is the same as 3.3 divided by 1. We try to manipulate, but let me anyways, let me be guided by this. We know that, okay, center distance is equals to modulus divided by 2 TA plus TP. Right, we have the center of this. We've given that the center is 600 and 35, 635 modulus is 10 over 2 theta A plus theta B. So let's try and fill up this. Let us try and make a ratio. TA will simply equals to 3.3 TP. Why? Because TA is equals to TP by is 3.3 divided by 1. Since the opinion you multiply there, you'll have this. Substitute there in that space. We'll have there where we see TA, we replace with that. We'll have 3.3 TP plus TP. Then we have 635. It's equals to this, the same as 5, guys. We divide this by, okay, let me just make it simple. 635 multiply by 2 divided by 10 will be, add this will be, these terms are the same, will be 4 3 TP. Then we know what it goes here. We want TP multiple punch that will have, remember the top part is the same as 127. All of this, if I can punch it, will be 127. Then we have here 4.3 TP will divide, therefore TP will be equals to 127 divide by what this is 4.3, punching this will have this will be 30 teeth TP, the 30 teeth. Still we want what TA, we said TA is 3.3 TP above from this equation that we have here. So if you can substitute the teeth is 30, we multiply here, we'll have 99 teeth. All right, so what is the last question? The actual center distance between the two shafts. Okay, center distance, we all know that will be modulus divided by 2 into theta A plus theta B. So we have this is 10 divided by 2 theta A, we have there is 99, theta B it was 30. Then punch this, you have the center distance which is 645 millimeter. This is what we have so far. So okay guys, thank you anyways guys, bye. Thank you for watching. May you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button so that you notify whenever I post a new video.